Welcome back. Thank you for staying with Republic TV. The Secretary General of the Confederation of All India Traders, Praveen Khandelwal, recently spoke to Republic TV over the boycott China movement. Let's listen.
Sir, you have now written a letter to Ravi Shankar Prasad in which you have demanded that two big companies of China should now be banned while the rollout of 5G takes place.
Well, it is a demand under the currently boycott Chinese goods campaign of Confederation of All India Traders, which was launched on 10th of June. The fundamental reason for raising this demand is that we all know that the users of smartphones are increasing in India day by day. And these kind of usages after 5G will be more. And data capturing will be an easy flow in 5G network. So in that case, since we feel that these technology companies should not be made a part of 5G network rollout in India because of the sincere reason for national security, sovereignty of the country, and in line of the earlier decision of the Government of India for imposing ban on 59 mobile applications that were related to China in the recent past.
Which are these two companies you are talking about, sir?
Huawei and ZTE Corporation.
ZTE Corporation. Sir, have you seen any kind of security threat as far as from these companies are concerned? Have you noticed or have you got any information about that?
Well, since we are going under certain critical circumstances with China, and nobody can predict anything about future. And on the other side, every nation has a right to keep the data accrued by any company onshore. It has to be in the country itself. So therefore, if these two companies, that is Huawei and ZTE Corporation, are being given any chance to participate in 5G network of India when it will be rolled out in a couple of months, then probably the data accrued by these companies could be used against India.
But sir, at the same time, we should have alternatives.
Yes, please.
At the same time, we should also have alternatives, sir.
See, we have several Indian companies, those who are working in this platform since a long time.
That's what I was asking.
So, and I think these companies, all these Indian companies, they are having some kind of, JV with some technology people, except China also. So why not we give them, our own companies, we should give them a chance to strengthen the clarion call of Prime Minister that vocal on local and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now it is the time for making India as Atmanirbhar Bharat, and not only China, the Confederation and the 7 crore traders of the country have now decided that India should not be dependent upon any country whatsoever, and the first step is of China.